Howdy YouTubers, in this video I'm going to replace the battery in my garage gate key fob here, which has been having issues and often needs multiple presses to work. So my theory is the coin batteries inside are getting low, so let's get it open and I'll show you how to quickly change the battery inside this remote to get it working again. So the key here when you're looking at this is this ridge on the side of the fob. If you look around, there should be a little notch, and that notch is going to be the key to opening up the fob. Now, I like one of these small precision screwdriver sets. You can get these for a couple bucks on Amazon. I'll throw in a link at the bottom of this video. These just make it a lot easier to change small fobs like this one. So I'll take the largest flathead screwdriver out of this precision set, and that'll allow me to get into the side of this ridge here. You can see I could probably pop it off just taking the side, but there's that notch there. And so if I use that notch, I'll be able to kind of wiggle it back and forth and pry. And I could try with a key. If you have a small key, might be able to fit. And this one's a little too big, so that's not going to work. So I'll use my precision flathead here and just kind of wiggle it a little bit and a little back and forth just to get a little leverage, and that will allow the plastic there to come apart, and you'll be able to then get into the smaller part and just give some light pressure, pry that apart, and then voila! Now we have access to the internals of the gate fob. Now you can see these are actually 2 coin fob batteries that are inside this, and the best way to get these out is just to slide them, kind of push at the top here and allow those to slide and come out. So you kind of push this at the top, and you'll see there's 2 of those. Now make sure you keep the orientation of the positive and the negative. The positive side of the battery has the lettering and the inscription facing towards you, so that's the positive side. So we'll make sure when we put our new batteries back in that we put in the correct positive side facing towards you, and those are stacked together, so positive on top of positive, and we'll put 2 of those back in. Yeah, just get these from Amazon. Whoop. Ooh, 2016. This is a 1620. This is too small, so we need 2016, not 1620, and get the correct 2016. Oh boy. Okay, I thought this felt a little bit. Okay, so we've got these fresh 2016s. 2 of these. So we got these new ones, and if you remember, these were stacked with both of the. This is the positive side with the inscription on it, and those were just stacked in here, and so I'm just gonna put those back, slide those in, and then the top case here, and that pops back together. And again, just if you need to open it, just kind of take a wiggle. You can take a flathead screwdriver, or if you have a mini screwdriver set like this, kind of get in there and wedge it around, and that's how you pop the back off. And just kind of work your way around, and that's it. Those slide out there. So you need two 2016 3-volt batteries to replace on this key fob, which is the linear proximity fob with the 2016 batteries.